Difference in number 1, number 2 capper, possibly number 3. No, ain't number 3. You can see a huge difference in those, right? And comparing them all, this is number 1. This is pure. This plain copper is so bright orange like. This is mediocre, and that's just downright dirty black. But yeah, just gonna throw it all in here. And everybody uses Coca-Cola to clean it all. So this only took me about an hour or so, and I still got all that to do. It don't look like much. It really ain't much. And it's pretty heavy. I mean, real long strands. It ain't too bad in stripping them. You can see my mess bucket right here. My long strands is stripping it. There's a regular knife. That's all I use. Grind it on the grinder. Got my strip up here. And of course, wearing a glove that has some oomph behind it, you know, or some grip to it, so I can grab the fucking shit and give it a nice pull while I hold my knife down right here. Just, you know, drape it all across there and everything, run it that way, and just pull it. And as I'm pulling it, my knife shreds it. Shreds it all down, nothing. One nice long strand, like you wouldn't imagine. And then after that, I try to clean up my area a little bit. Yeah, it's getting annoying when you're tripping over that shit. Let's see. I'll take an easy one, I guess. And let's see if this even do it any justice. We'll see what happens. Probably want some shit, really. Most likely not. I can't get my stupid fucking phone to stand up right. And then on top of all the fucking copper's breaking. I don't know if you can see it, but we'll find out. The video turns out decent, I'll air it. Get all this shit in. Nice, huge fucking mess. Let's see, what do we want? We want that good one right here. Basically want this one. You just want to rip it all the way out. That's the one you want. And you just keep ripping it out. Maybe. Until you run into a twisted up spot. You like that, eh? This one wasn't easy. This one's all twisty. Shitty part is you gotta fucking untwist it. Can be annoying, especially in a basement. But make quick work of it. If you really want it. Nope, maybe not. I'm doing this for a little bit now. Get pretty fucking annoying. Especially when it keeps getting twisted like that. There you go. You got with this piece. You just take this piece, you want every little ounce to count, right? So here you got a strip piece. You got that ground wire. It's bare. Don't have no insulation or anything on it. It's usually gonna be your cleanest fucking wire. So start with this guy. I'm gonna poke a fucking eye out. Try to ball it up as fast as you can, so you can start working on the other shit. It's a piece like that. In the bucket it goes. And you got the rest of this shit. Of course, right? Right. I try to grab it as a blob and then yank it all the way to the end, but sometimes it likes to tangle and get stuck at the very end. That way I can make quick work of it. Throw it right in my bucket. And then decide whatever one you want to take out and start stripping first. But I forgot to mention this one is the twisted up one for some reason. I don't know why you thought about doing that, but a lot of them ain't twisted like this, but it's still not too bad. You can actually throw them both up on the workbench, but make it quick and easy. I should have just started with throwing it on the workbench. You got that one. You want to kick one of them out of your way, and then you just want to take and throw it down your workbench. Throw it down there a ways. Throw it up there. Get the fuck up there without knocking your damn stupid cell phone off, so you can fucking record. A lot of times the ends ain't gonna be started for you, so you gotta try to straighten this son of a bitch out the best you can a little bit. And of course you're gonna cut towards you, like so. And then you got your end started. Yeah, maybe. Yep, we got our end started. And then you just go in and start slicing. Sometimes you can just keep going with it. You know, with this one, it's all bent and twisty. That's my fault. I didn't twist it. It's even better when you got somebody holding it and feeding it to you. You just keep going with the shit. But it gets snagged on everything on your fucking shelf, so you can't keep going. So there you go. There's the woman, probably wondering who the fuck I'm talking to down here. Who you talking to, Annie? Myself. I have to talk to a genius every now and then. You know, oh, we're getting some copper with it. See, it makes quick work of it, don't it? I'd rather do this than burn it. For some reason, burn it seems like it takes way longer. I don't know why, but burn it just, I don't know, it just seems like you're losing weight. Especially if you want to take it to the scrapyard. You still gotta fucking clean it. This don't mean it's clean. You can see a difference in that copper. These are the ones that are dirty still. It's got all that glue and that fucking plastic that's been melted around it. Crazy. Get all this done. I mean, I'm already to the end of it. Look at that. Make quick work of it. See? That is not hard at all. So people stripping the shit, this is the end. I'm already to the end. Now there's a long ass fucking spool. People wanting to burn it is just fucking ridiculous. They just, too lazy. or they don't want to build a blister or callus or something, you know. I mean, fuck. I got pussy hands, so I mean, my hands are callous and blister a little bit, but I ain't gonna lie, I got sissy hands, and I'm wearing a glove. It's making my life a little easier because I can actually grab the motherfucker and pull. Made quick work of that son of a bitch, didn't it? Imagine how fast if you had somebody holding that son of a bitch. See that? Boom. And you just start rolling it up. I could probably knock this out in an hour. That ain't much at all. You don't even have to do it all at once. You just want to take 10 minutes and come down here, strip away some of the shit, straighten up your fucking mess afterwards. I got a hell of a fucking mess down here. Got laundry. Oh, that ain't too bad. Seen other people's laundry. It just stacked to the fucking moon. There's like nowhere to fucking put it, you know? But yeah. Oops. You don't want to get that in there. Let me take that out. And then you continue with your balling motion. You want to ball that shit up. Scrapyards usually don't trust me when I do this. They think I'm hiding some dirty copper inside of my ball, which I took one of them. I actually fucking got pissed off and I took a lot of it and I started unraveling it. And I honestly think it's because you're like centering the weight of all the copper and they gotta pay you more money. They with it this color, they will give you number 2 copper price. They won't give you number 1. It has to be copper color. It has to be copper. No ifs, ands, or fucking buts about it. They will Jew you. Anything to shave money off the fucking hard working man. And you already did all the work for them. And all they're gonna do is put it in a fucking tub and let it soak for a few minutes and they're gonna pull it out. And you did all that hard work. Hard work, ain't it? Not really. I did break a sweat though. Yeah, see? Real easy. You got this of a mess to do. I still got this wire right here to finish, but still, that was quick, wasn't it? I mean, I've had a lot longer. Like this one's real long. This one's gonna be fun to do. These white ones are different. These fuckers have the real dark ground wire for some reason. I don't know why, but I don't know what the fuck they did with these ones, but that ground wire is darker than the ones in the insulation for some reason. Even oxidized up and shit. I don't know why, but it is. But yeah, stripping wire. Hopefully you enjoy it.